Today's episode, we are doing garden tool storage. How many times do you have those buckets? You just shove everything in, they take up a lot of space. Why not utilize the wall? You can store all this equipment. You come in, you got your wheelbarrow. You're going to do some gardening. You're going to plant flowers. You can do whatever you're going to do. So I'm going to need this. I'm going to need this guy right here. Hey, you know what? I'm going to need this pie to hit my husband and get him off the couch to come and help me out. Whatever the case is, you put it in your wheelbarrow, you go do all your work, you come in at the end of the day ready to have a cold drink, and you're like, well, where did everything go? I really don't know. Well, guess what? We got numbers. 8 goes right here. 6 goes right here. And just like that, you get organized and stay organized. Now I know what you're thinking. Man, that took a long time. That's a lot of work. Oh, actually, it's really easy. Keep watching this video and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Eugene Segovia here with Easy Stud Rack. You're probably wondering, what am I doing outside on the ground with the 2x4 laid out on the ground and a bunch of gardening tools laying out on this 2x4? Well, I had a thought. You know, a lot of times you'll go and you'll buy those bucket things and you shove all your gardening tool equipment and all that. The problem is you're constantly digging, trying to find the right one. Well, I have an idea that I'm going to try out. So what we have here is I went online to Amazon. I'll leave the link down at the bottom. And I bought these bunch of U-hooks. For $32, I got 72 of them. Did I need 72? No, but you never know. You can always use these. As you can see, we just laid everything out on this one 2x4. Take advantage of that space on your wall. So we'll see how it comes out. But this is how I laid it all out. Now, if you want to get more helpful tips on anything to do with organizing, click on this link below and subscribe. And you'll see all the other things, whether it's pantries, garden sheds, blah, 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 blah. A quick little tip, these guys right here, they're hard to screw in, so I always like to drill a little pilot hole. This is a 3/32 drill bit, and all I do is just drill a hole. So I go in, come out, go in, come out. And then it's a lot easier to screw in. Just do it by hand. A 3/32 bit is big enough to guide it through and then small enough to still give it a lot of bite. There we go. That's all it takes. For the guys that we're going to hang by drilling a hole in the handle, we're going to use these guys. I'll leave a link so you can see where you can buy these. They're called trim screws. Sharp point, phosphate coated, 6 by 2 1/4, and it comes with its own little square bit. That's it. We have got all nails in, all the hooks in place. This board's ready to hang. The one thing we got to remember is you only got so much headroom. So I'm measuring the longest item, which is this pitchfork. I want to allow enough item to just pull it out and up and out. So this one's 14 inches, so we got to move it up like that. So the top of this board has got to be at least 14 inches from the closest item on top. So everything's in place, everything looks great. So here we go. All I did, I have a bunch of plastic left over, so I just took the plastic. I got these 1-inch stencil letters. I'll have a link down where you can get it from Amazon, and some fluorescent paint. You can use whatever color you want. The reason I like using that clear plastic, because I just tape the letters, I turn it around, and I just cut out only the letter part. Now I'm going to use this twice. I'm going to paint, say for example, the handle of the shovel, and then I'm going to paint right behind the handle of the shovel. That way it's clearly stated where this number goes, which hook it belongs to. Go on to the next one. This is Krylon fluorescent orange paint. One tip too, if you don't use this for very long, that paint will dry up on the end. It's a good idea to go upside down and until it goes clear, and that kind of clears the end. Here's what I'll do. I'll demonstrate how we put the numbers on here. And just kind of lay the plastic out, put the 2 on there, tape it like this, like that. I flip it over, take my handy dandy little knife and just slice around. I don't have to put a lot of pressure on there, and then just peel up the number with the plastic. Now this 2's ready to get painted. Okay, so we got 0, 1. This will be 2. So let me take this guy off, come up here, and then work the magic. There's 2, and then we'll paint a 2. Wow! Oh, I'm using the shovel. Where did I put it? Oh, 1 goes to 1. 2 goes to 2. I'm going to use 3 on the next one. Okay, here's the tip. After doing this, we're on number 4 right now. I find it's a lot easier to just go ahead and set all your numbers up and then paint them all at once. Trying to go back and forth is kind of a pain in the butt. That's it. So there we go. Utilize that wall space. Look how much room this takes up. Hardly anything. I mean, I'm walking by here. Look at this. I am 6 inches away. When you use an item, you're always going to put it back. Take advantage of that wall, garden tool storage. Don't forget to subscribe and check out all my other videos when they come out on how to get organized and stay organized. Check out this link over here, and it'll give you a list of all the items that I've organized. Pantries, garages, closets, shoe storage, craft room. Whatever you're looking for can get organized utilizing the wall and the Easy Stud Rack storage system. Until next time, it's Eugene with Easy Stud Rack. Cut, that's a cut, that's a cut, that's a cut, that's a... Ooh. Yeah, this is bad lighting. Oof. Maybe I need to lose some weight. Start working out again.